Hello students of standard 10th and 12th, especially today I will guide you how to prepare in the last month for the board exams so that you get very good score. Definitely you can get more than 90% in case you follow my guidelines, my suggestions to you. I am R.K. CHUGHA. I am proprietor of CSDC, whose full form is Career and Skills Development Center in Navi Mumbai. After retirement from BARC, I made my mission that I would guide and train at least 10,000 students so that they can get very good marks in board exam and make their career. Many of the students to whom I have guided and taught are today engineers, doctors, architects, etc. So that I can achieve my goal fast, I have taken this way of also guiding the students. So please listen it carefully. In case you follow these instructions, definitely you will get very good marks in board exams. And many of the students can get 90% marks in case they have studied regularly during up to the last prelim exams. Now let us try to come to the point and I will explain you. My first slide heading is how to be successful in life. So it is not only for the board exams but in life. How you should become successful. So this is true for everyone of any age. First, you should fix your goals. You should decide every year that what is my goal for this year. Write it down and read it daily in the morning that these are my goals. You be very positive that you will be able to achieve those goals as per the plans you have made. Remove all the negative feelings. Definitely whenever you make a goal, you feel it is very difficult. I will not be able to do it. I don't have the capabilities. I am financially weak. No. All these negative feelings should not come in the mind. You should try to ensure that these feelings don't come, and that is why daily in the morning you first see your goals and your plan and see where you are lagging behind. I will give you an example. Suppose a ship wants to go from place A to place B. The captain of the ship knows that what would be my path. So once he starts the engine, he moves in that path because he knows his goal. He wants to reach place B, and he reaches. In case there is no captain, somebody just starts the ship will not reach to place B. It will go haywire and even meet an accident. May hit across some rock or something and meet an accident. So in case you have goal in your life, you have made a plan, made the pathway that how you will be achieving there, you will definitely reach there. Without path, without the goal, you can't get good results. I will give you another example. Like what we say that as you sow, so you will reap. What does it mean? Like our mind is just like a earth. In earth, a farmer puts two types of seeds, one of a good plant and one of a poisonous plant. He waters them both the plants will grow. Similarly, in case you have positive and negative feelings in your mind, in your heart, then both feelings will grow. But in case you have only positive feelings will grow and it will take to success. So that is why always in the morning when you get up, whatever religion you belong to, any religion, pray to God that today make my day very good. I have got up in a very healthy condition. I will try to proceed further in that way, and whenever negative feelings come into your mind, destroy it immediately. Is it all right? Then I have talked to various students of various age groups, 10th standard, 11th, 12th, and even after they have got professional, that what you want to become, what is your ambition. They are confused that what to say. They say no, nothing. Whatever they have heard from their family, from their parents, or from the society, what they see, all good people are becoming doctors or engineers or whatever it is. We'll also go there. That is called herd. You are following the herd. That is not correct. You don't make that mistake that wherever people are go, I will also go in the same direction. No. You judge yourself that what are my strengths, what are my weaknesses, what is my ambition, what I want to do, and do that. Don't follow the herd community. Follow your inner intuition, the strength and weaknesses that you have. Make your ambition. Now, for achieving your goals, don't take shortcuts. Shortcuts will land you in problem. You may get benefit in the short run, in the long run, the shortcut will put you in problem. What you have been learning in school and from parents and all relatives, follow those things, that honesty is the best policy. To achieve this goal, you have to be 100% honest and worship work. That I will achieve my goals by working and not by any other means. Other beneficial thing which I have learnt in school, I am just repeating it, you should have social manners, respect the elders, be humble to everyone, so that your mind will remain peace, you will have no guilt in the subconscious. If you follow these things, you will definitely achieve success. Now, to achieve success, it is very essential that you take care of yourself. Yourself means your tan, man, dhan. By tan, I means body, so that you have a good sleep, minimum 8 hours of sleep, 6 to 7 hours should be continuous, and 1 or 2 hours in the afternoon in case you have that habit. So have good sleep, eat good food, having good nourishment, it's not that you should eat those type of foods that will make you to sleep or that will make you lazy. So eat good food, have good sleep, be hygienic, so that the body should remain perfect. If the body is perfect, you will be able to do the work, and if you are able to do the work, you will be able to achieve the goals. So it is very important to take care of yourself. Then even man means your feelings that I explained to you. You should have only positive feelings inside. You should remove all the negative feelings, overcome those negative feelings. No, I can do it. If others can do it, why can't I? You know, many persons have got more than 90% marks in last so many years. So so why I can't achieve it? But you have to work in that direction. Then dhan means you can say for our sake it is the quantum of marks that you get. So in case you take care of all these things, you should be able to achieve not only success in your 10th standard, but in your life in case you follow these principles. Now we'll go to actual topic of what you should do now when only about 1 month is left. Now only 1 month is left for the board exams. Even practicals you may have to do, for which you may some time may go in that. But whatever it is, first principle I have written, don't fall in student syndrome. What is student syndrome? Student syndrome means, like, even if today you sit and make a timetable that in this coming 1 month I will study in this manner. For the first few days you may not be able to do that. I will manage. I kept slightly more time in those easy subjects, I will manage. And when the times run away, then after 1 week you will say, theek hai bhai, not is difficult. Okay, what I will do? Languages who will read? I have read this compositions or my lessons or my poems many times. It's okay, I can omit that. Then those feelings will come. And once 1 more week will go away, now what should I do? I have got only so much time. I should do only important. I should do smart work. Smart work means I will omit these chapters. In mathematics, okay, this chapter only 4 marks come. In science, in this chapter only 3 marks come. I will omit that. I will save time and I will study only important thing. Everyone says do smart work. No. You have to do smart work, but not in this manner. This is called student syndrome. And when exams comes, you will say, no, after 3 days I have got this exam, so I will study only those subjects, and rest I will see during the break period between the exams. So this is called student syndrome. Don't follow. Now this is the last opportunity. From the very first day, whatever target we are assigning, you see that you are able to complete it. Okay. So now let us come to then how to keep the targets. You should keep the targets in such a manner that 15 days prior to commencement of the exams, the full syllabus revision should be over. So the students who have studied their full syllabus, they can definitely do this. For students who have omitted certain chapters, they may find it a bit difficult, but if there is a will, there is a way. So you should do it. As I told you that now, even if you sleep 8 to 10 hours in a day, so remaining 14 hours you have, I will remove 2 to 4 hours for your daily routines and some rest, and because a person can't study, at least 10 hours you should study daily now in case you are not going to school. So study daily 10 hours. In this 10 hours, you can make 4 or 5 slots of 2 hours each, 5 slots, or 2.5 hours to 3 hours. So you can make the slot and study one difficult topic and one easy chapter regularly, or means in this ratio, some difficult chapters, some easy chapters. They can be of the same subject. It would be better in case they are of different subjects, because studying the same subject for 10 hours will make you bored. You will say, I have got bored. So you divide your syllabus in such a manner that you are able to study 2 or 3 subjects, few chapters daily. So revise them thoroughly. And this revision should be over 15 days prior to commencement of the exams. So now you have 15 days and your full portion has been revised. Okay. So now we will do smart work. In the sense, we will you only solve now at least 5 previous year papers, board papers, with honesty. It may, what I mean to say, for some paper is of 2 hours, 2.5 hours, or 3 hours. Accordingly, you sit, and once you are doing this work, you can tell your parents or whosoever is at home that don't disturb me, I am doing my exam. You can lock the room, lock the place, and study, solve the paper as per the choice. Then once the time is over, see in that whether you have taken extra time or not. If you have taken extra time, so you know that now I have to increase my speed or my way of working. Then after the paper is solved, you can take some refreshment, take some rest, and now solve the questions that they have omitted because they were solved as per choice. Not do those extra things, because those questions, those topics are bit difficult. That is why you have omitted those questions. You are given in choice. Now, after solving such papers, either you, with whomsoever you were learning, with your school teacher, with your coaching class teacher, or with your parents, you tell them to correct your paper. In case you don't find such people, don't waste time in that. You try to get the, nowadays in market we have got solutions available for all papers. So you correct yourself, and the purpose of solving the paper is that you should know that what questions I don't know, what topics I have forgotten. So you do all those corrections in a new book called correction book. So once you have done all the corrections, then go to next paper, next subject, next paper, and so that after completing 5 papers of previous years, whatever is the correction book, go through the full book, and in case it is you have kept it in a proper manner, even you see your school test answer sheets, what mistakes you have done. Because now whatever things you don't know, you should try to now know it, so that you should not commit the same mistake in the board exam. So in case all the mistakes you have ruled it out that it will not be done, you will get good marks. You will get more than 90% marks. In the board exam, for that paper, you go, first of all, in the first thing and in the last thing, you should see the correction book. See the correction book and learn that what mistakes you were doing it and how it has to be done correctly. Is it all right? If you follow these instructions, you will definitely get more than 90%. In case students who were regular, they can solve even 10 papers previous year. That is more better. So if they solve 5 other papers, they can get from various books, also have specimen papers or prelim papers of reputed school. If you solve them, it will be a good thing. It will help you definitely. Okay, so now we'll go to next slide. Also is would be useful to you not only for this board exam but throughout your life. See, parents have sent you for 10 years in school. School has taken care of you. When you joined the school, you were not interested in sitting. You might be, some students might be even crying at that point of time. And with a small boy, you were not knowing how to write even alphabets or how to hold a pen. From there to they have made you capable that you can write your final board school exam. So this education that you have taken is priceless. It has given you enough confidence that now you can face the world peacefully, exchanging the ideas, knowledge, good practices, and even you can develop some skill and start working in case you don't want to become a professional. So that depends on individual case. But this school you will remember throughout your life, that how you enjoyed and what knowledge you gained from in this school. Now I will tell you that few qualities that you should try to imbibe in yourself. First is you should be able to recognize the opportunities that come your way. Like I will give you a simple example, recent example. You had a very long period of staying at home and doing online learning from schools. So you had plenty of time at home. Some students might have taken that advantage, that whatever knowledge they were lacking or whatever subject they were weak in certain subjects, in certain areas, they might have overcome it by taking advantage of the parents, because parents were also at home or from online. So that was an opportunity. And some persons, students might have just wasted their time in playing games and all those things or chatting. So whenever opportunities come, whosoever takes advantage of those opportunities gets success. Is it okay? Then second point, everyone has ambition. So we say don't be greedy for food, but you should be greedy for your ambition. Ensure that you are able to fulfill your ambition. Ambition, other goals, some people say that some people dreams, okay, that I want to become this, I want to live this standard of living, so you should. And in case your relatives or some friends or some tells you, no, you don't go in that manner, you do this work, that would be difficult for you, this is not for girls, this is for boys. No, you should fight for your dreams and achieve your ambition. Now I will tell you 5 C's you should remember. Whenever difficulties come, you follow these 5 C's. First, common sense. This is even true for the 10th board exam or 12th board exam or anywhere. Whenever you get any problem in life, you follow common sense and get the solution by the common sense. You will succeed. Second, you have to be courageous. What do we mean by courageous? Not for fighting. Like a very difficult sum has come. Especially this is true for 12th standard. In physics, the numerical, or in chemistry, in stock chemistry, you are finding it quite out of the way, which you have not done some. Have some courage. Try to think what, because it has to be, it is within the syllabus. So whatever problems come, try to face them courageously and be creative in life. Like small students, teacher has told, okay, write an essay on this topic or do this drawing at home. Some students, they don't think and do. They will tell their elder friends or elder siblings, their brothers and sisters, tell me how to do that. Or nowadays even they have what we call it guides or some other books, they will take that and copy it. That is not creativeness. You have done the homework and gone, that is fine, but that you should be creative. And other point is consistency. It's not that like I have told you, you have studied, follow this for a few days and then this is quite boring. This is not. So you have to be consistent in your efforts and give commitment to yourself. You have told, okay, now in this last month I am going to do all these activities in this manner. So be committed to it. in spite of following these guidelines, you may come across certain failures in life. So if you come across a failure, don't get disheartened. Analyze that why I have failed, what mistake I have done, and to remove those causes. Once you remove those causes, you will get success. They say failure is a stepping stone to success. So failure has come so that you can do more better work. Is it all right? I hope you have understood, and in case you follow the various guidelines that I have given, you will succeed in life. All the best to everyone. Thank you. In case you have got certain good points, you can subscribe to my channel and like it and press the bell icon, so that when such other videos, when I post it, you will get an information. Thank you very much.